Good air purifiers clean our air at home, but they also need to be cleaned regularly. Let's see how to clean one today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Bubba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In order to make sure the air purifier is cleaning our air effectively, regular cleaning is required. In today's video, I'll go over how I keep my Coway 200M air purifier clean so it can keep on cleaning the air at home for us. If you haven't seen my review of this purifier, I'll put a link to it here and below in the descriptions. First, every 2 to 4 weeks, I do it about every 3 weeks, clean the pre-filter. Open the front cover by pulling it off from the top. As you can see, mine gets dusty after a few weeks. To prevent the dust from falling out all over the place, I usually give it a quick vacuum with it still attached before I remove it. After which, press down on the top 2 clips to pull out the pre-filter slowly. Try not to shake it too much because it can still get dusty. The carbon filter is attached to the back of the pre-filter, so it will come out together with it. It's just held in by these little guards around the edges, so it's easy to remove. The pre-filter can be cleaned with a vacuum cleaner or with water. Mine usually just have dust or hair on it, so I just use a vacuum cleaner. If it's washed, make sure it's dry before reinstalling it. While I have the vacuum with me, I also vacuum the front cover before putting it back on. It could also be wiped down with a little damp cloth. I usually wipe down the body too if it's dirty. By the way, if you take off the front cover while the purifier is running, it'll shut off automatically, which is a great safety feature. However, it's still a good practice to unplug the machine before cleaning it. Then, every 2 months, clean the air quality sensor. This may not be as obvious, but there is a sensor located on the right side of this purifier. It needs to be cleaned or the air quality monitoring results will deteriorate. To clean it, open the little cover protecting the sensor. Use a brush or a small vacuum to remove any large debris first. Then, wet a cotton swab lightly with just water to clean the lens and the dust inlets and outlets around the lens. Lastly, wipe them dry with cloth before closing it back up. Also, clean the air outlet on the top with a soft brush or vacuum. Try not to brush the dust into the outlet. You can also run the purifier on high manually for a few minutes to blow out any dust if needed. Lastly, about every 6 months, the carbon filter needs to be replaced, and every year, the HEPA filter needs to be replaced. The corresponding replacement indicator light should come on to remind us. Note that these are just straight countdown timers, assuming 8-hour daily use in highest fan speed. Therefore, the replacement and cleaning frequency should be adjusted depending on your particular environment and usage. If you find your purifier is very dusty, clean it and swap out the filters more often. When replacing the HEPA filter, make sure it's installed in the correct direction. There are labels that says front and printed arrow indicating the direction of the airflow. After the filter is replaced, press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds, and the indicator light will turn off with the countdown timer restarted. Note that the air quality light will not come on if either of the filter replacement light is on. Coway 200M shares the same filters with the older AP1512 models. Coway sells a filter replacement pack with 2 carbon filters and 1 HEPA filter, basically 1 year supply, for around $50, which isn't too expensive. But there are also cheaper third-party options. I've heard good things about these for much cheaper. This pack comes with 2 HEPA filters and 8 carbon filters for only $45. I'll put links to them in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. Do you usually go with the OEM filters or cheaper third-party ones? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.